how to find your virtual card number. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to find your virtual card number for Capital One. So basically, to find your virtual card number, you want to first of all log into your Capital One account. Once you're logged into your Capital One, you then need to go to the credit card account page from your menu bar. After which, you want to look for get your virtual card under your balance or in the virtual card tile. And you just want to verify and view. That means complete the security check to reveal your virtual card number, expiry date, and a security code as well. And in some cases, there might be extra layer of protection. So what you want to do is you have to go ahead and follow the option prompt, enter in all the necessary detail that has been asked, and that's when you're going to find your virtual card number. If you cannot find one, you could contact the support team, let them know about it, and they should be able to help you find your virtual card number. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.